got them. You see this? I got 8 nails in here. It will not shoot because of this thing right here. All you have to do, grab your salt grinder, take it against this. Make sure it's on low speed so it won't cut you. Put right there and just cut that tip off.